Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 21st, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday evening at 6 p.m. GMT time. So, anyways, the Kiwi dollar has been drifting down pretty much all week long. I still think because of the much higher time frames, and especially because of the dollar index, that eventually this is going to probably break out of this channel, which is the base channel, and probably going to end up, starting an uptrend. So, I'm still very bullish. We are sitting at the 50% of this channel right now, which definitely could be an area of resistance. So, going back down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely did have a 61% fib bounce. We got your Fibonacci retracement on the whole last move up right here. We definitely do have a 50%, 61% that is Fibonacci bounce. So it's a little bit tough because there's no real structure break on this time frame. So we have to be a little bit cautious. I mean, if it does, make like a double top and then turn down and break structure to the downside, I would probably get out of my logs and maybe even think about going short. On the other hand, if it just continues to make high, low, high, low, high, low on this time frame, then I would definitely hold on to my logs and potentially even continue to go long at the end of any pullback as long as it continues that high, low series that we're looking for. I'm definitely very, very bullish on all the dollar pairs, and I still think there's a very good likelihood that this will continue the uptrend. Whether or not it's going to do it today or not, I guess is a different question. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.